Is the B-21 Raider the future of military air power? Designed by Northrop Grumman, it promises to replace the B-1, B-2, and B-52 bombers. But what sets it apart from its predecessors? The B-21 is a leap forward in stealth, range, and versatility, built to operate in an increasingly complex air defense environment. With its flying wing design, the B-21 is meant to remain undetected while delivering precision strikes across vast distances. But as air defense technology advances, can the B-21 stay ahead of emerging threats? The U.S. Air Force is betting on the B-21 to lead long-range missions for decades. But will it meet the expectations set for it? Or will new challenges arise that make it less effective than anticipated? Is the B-21 really the ultimate bomber? Or just another step in the evolution of air combat? How does the B-21 Raider remain invisible to radar? Its flying wing design minimizes its radar cross-section, making it hard to detect. But how well does it perform against evolving radar technology? The B-21 incorporates radar-absorbing materials and advanced electronic countermeasures to jam enemy systems. But is this enough as air defense technology advances? With AI-powered radars and more sophisticated missile systems, will the B-21's stealth remain effective? The bomber's low observability allows it to slip past enemy defenses unnoticed. However, as radar and countermeasures evolve, will the B-21 continue to evade detection? Or could future advancements challenge its stealth capabilities? As radar systems become smarter, can the B-21's technology stay one step ahead? Or will stealth become less effective in the face of new detection methods? With a range of over 6,000 miles, the B-21 Raider can strike almost anywhere without needing to refuel. But how significant is this range in modern warfare? The B-21 allows the U.S. to project power globally, reaching nearly any target in the world with precision. But what does this global reach mean in an era of unpredictable conflicts and advanced defense systems? Does the B-21's range offer an unbeatable advantage? Or will future technologies make even its long range insufficient? Can it strike swiftly, no matter where the threat arises? Or will refueling become a necessary asset for longer missions? The B-21's ability to operate globally is a game changer. But as air defense systems improve, how will this range measure up in future conflicts? While the B-21's range is impressive, mid-air refueling still plays a critical role in extending its reach. How dependent is the B-21 on tankers to operate effectively? Aerial refueling ensures the B-21 can stay in the air longer and strike distant targets. However, refueling requires coordination and exposes tankers to potential threats. Can the B-21 maintain its operational flexibility without depending on tankers? While the B-21 can fly over 6,000 miles, does refueling give it the necessary endurance to complete its mission, or is it a limitation? How would a future mission look without the option to refuel mid-air? Will refueling be a permanent asset or a vulnerability in the B-21's operational profile? Can the B-21 truly excel at both nuclear and conventional warfare? With the ability to carry both types of munitions, the B-21 is designed to be a versatile asset for any mission. It's equipped with internal weapon bays capable of holding nuclear bombs and precision-guided conventional missiles. This versatility makes it adaptable for various combat scenarios, from strategic deterrence to precision strikes on high-value targets. But does this flexibility come at a cost? Can the B-21 maintain the highest level of performance in both nuclear and conventional missions, or will it need to specialize further? The ability to switch between nuclear and conventional payloads gives the B-21 an edge in modern warfare. But can it handle both equally well, or will the complexity of these missions present unforeseen challenges? How does the B-21 handle the complexities of modern combat zones? With sophisticated air defenses and enemy radar systems, can it infiltrate enemy airspace without being detected? The B-21 uses advanced electronic warfare capabilities to neutralize enemy radars, jam missile targeting, and confuse air defense systems. But as these systems continue to evolve, can the B-21 stay ahead of the curve? While stealth is a major advantage, the B-21's electronic warfare tools provide an extra layer of protection, making it a formidable force in contested environments. But how effective will these tools be against future advancements in air defense? Can the B-21 continue to operate undetected in increasingly complex and heavily defended zones? Or will new countermeasures force the B-21 to evolve even further? In real combat, can the B-21 truly avoid detection? With radar, infrared, and missile defense systems becoming more advanced, how does the B-21 stay hidden in the face of modern threats? The B-21's stealth technology, coupled with its electronic countermeasures, allows it to infiltrate enemy airspace undetected. But how will it perform against cutting-edge defenses that are becoming more AI-driven and automated? Stealth is a significant advantage, but can the B-21 maintain it as technology advances? As enemies develop more sophisticated detection systems, will the B-21's invisibility still be assured? Stealth may be the B-21's greatest strength, but in modern warfare, how long can it remain the ultimate advantage? Will future technologies force the B-21 to adapt or face the reality of being detected? How accurate is the B-21 Raider? In the heat of modern combat, delivering precise strikes is crucial. But can the B-21 meet the challenge? equipped with state-of-the-art guidance systems. The B-21 can deliver both conventional and nuclear payloads with extreme accuracy. Whether targeting high-value assets or critical military infrastructure, the B-21 ensures that each strike hits its mark. But precision is only part of the equation. In real-world conditions, can the B-21 maintain its accuracy while navigating through sophisticated air defense systems? Will its targeting systems remain reliable as the threats it faces evolve? The B-21's precision capabilities are designed to ensure that no target is out of reach. But as defense technologies improve, how will its accuracy hold up in future combat scenarios? In modern warfare, air defense systems are becoming more advanced with AI-driven radars and anti-aircraft missiles. So how does the B-21 Raider stay ahead? Its electronic warfare capabilities allow it to disrupt enemy radar, communication, and missile systems, neutralizing threats before they can target the bomber. The B-21 can jam radar systems, spoof enemy sensors, and evade targeting, all while remaining undetected. But with technology rapidly evolving, how long can it maintain this advantage? Can the B-21's electronic warfare systems continue to outpace enemy defenses? While the B-21 relies heavily on its physical stealth, its electronic countermeasures provide an extra layer of protection. Can these systems adapt to new threats, or will the next generation of air defense technologies render them ineffective? The B-21's ability to manipulate electronic warfare is a major advantage, but will it be enough to stay ahead in the future? How does the B-21 Raider compare to older bombers like the B-52, B-1, and B-2? While these bombers have been mainstays of the U.S. Air Force, the B-21 promises to surpass them in stealth, range, and versatility. The B-21 integrates the lessons learned from its predecessors while incorporating next-gen technology to stay ahead of modern threats. It offers improved stealth capabilities, advanced targeting systems, and greater payload flexibility. But can it truly replace the iconic bombers of the past? Older bombers like the B-52 are still in service despite their age. So does the B-21 offer enough advantages to make them obsolete? What about the speed and maneuverability of the B-1 or the stealth of the B-2? Does the B-21 perform better in every category? The B-21's modern advancements are compelling. But can it outperform these legacy bombers on the battlefield?
We're going to take a closer look at the graphical breakdown of the B-21's cost compared to its impressive capabilities and operational efficiency.
The B-21 Raider brings cutting-edge technology, but can it remain sustainable in the long term? Military budgets are becoming increasingly strained. And with the B-21's high development and operational costs, how does its price tag compare to its value? While the B-21 is expected to be the backbone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic capabilities, its long-term operational cost is still uncertain. Will it continue to be cost-effective as maintenance and upgrades pile up? Or will newer technologies make it less economical to operate? The bomber is designed for a long service life. But as technology rapidly advances, will the B-21 require frequent updates to maintain its relevance? Can it stay effective and financially viable over the decades to come? While the B-21's potential is undeniable, will its costs outweigh its benefits in the future? So, is the B-21 Raider truly the ultimate bombing platform? With its advanced stealth, unmatched range, precision payloads, and cutting-edge electronic warfare capabilities, it promises to revolutionize air combat. But can it live up to all the expectations? The B-21 represents a bold leap forward in military technology. Its stealth and versatility give it an edge over older bombers. But how long will this advantage last? Will the bomber be able to maintain its effectiveness as air defense technologies evolve? Is the B-21 Raider the ultimate solution for future warfare? Or will newer technologies eventually surpass it? The B-21's role in modern combat will continue to evolve. But can it truly stay ahead of future challenges? The answer is still unfolding. As the B-21 moves from prototype to operational service, only time will reveal if it truly is the ultimate bomber.